Welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for E3CE235. This is a 2003 Chevrolet Impala with a 3.4 liter V6. Running very smooth and quietly. Does have very nice clean oil with no antifreeze mixture. We do offer extended warranties, 6 months, 1 year, lifetime part and label warranties are available. This will be a value engine, as it does have 176,768 miles. But they did get the oil regularly changed, as you can see, at 172,000. They had it changed here, and then they had it scheduled to be changed at 177,000 there. So they did get the oil changed every 3,000 miles. There's no tax, so you can't see that I'm revving this up. Revs up nice and smooth. Thanks again for watching. This has been J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for E3CE235. Thank you, and have a nice day.